Hello everybody, my name is Gatis Kandis, and a while ago I made a video testing what does a butter sound like when it hits another butter, and then afterwards I got lots of upset messages from vegans saying how dare I didn't use vegan butter. So then I thought about it and I thought, well, fair enough. So I actually now got 2 organic vegan blocks and I'm gonna test it now. So with a wrapper, sounds like that. I'm gonna wrap them now and then I'm gonna hit them both together. So here we go. This is how I'm gonna wrap it. Doesn't have any smell at all. Okay, so now both vegan blocks have been unwrapped and I am ready to hit them together and find out what they sound like. Okay, here we go, the vegan blocks. Oh my god. Do you hear that? They're really trying to stick together, much more than butter. The cars are driving past. Okay, and that is what the vegan butter sounds like. And it is super sticky, so I'm gonna put it back in the wrapper. Oh my goodness, I wonder if I should lick my fingers. Wow, very sticky situation. I got myself here in a sticky situation. And that's what vegan blocks sound like when they hit each other. And thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you soon.